Hi guys, this is Varun from Creators Anchor, where I upload videos about designing, editing and social media. Thank you so much for tuning into this video and thank you so much for your love and support. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can create a creative Instagram transparent post design in Pixlr. So let's start without any further ado. Open pixlr.com, click on this advanced photo editor, click on create new button here. Click on social tab and click on this Instagram post and click on this create button. Now we need a background image here. So go to the layer, click on add image as layer, select image. I will give the download link of this image in the description. Please check the description. Click on open. Now resize this. This looks good. Now here we need a screenshot of Instagram feed post. Please take the screenshot of your Instagram feed. Go to layer, click on add image as layer and select your Instagram feed screenshot. Resize this. This looks good. If you don't know what Pixlr is similar to Canva and Photoshop. It is a free online tool, but if you need some advanced feature, then you need to upgrade with a very minimal cost. If you are planning or want to upgrade, please use the link in the description. I will get some commission and it will help me to keep running this channel. So without any further ado, let's dive into this video. Now go to the edit and click on free distort. Position it here. Now resize this like this. I love this feature of Pixlr. I think this looks good. Click on yes. Now right click on this layer, your Instagram feed, and click on this blend mode, select multiply. Now this looks good. You can change the brightness if you want. Go to adjustment, brightness. Apply. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please write in the comment section and make sure you give us a like and don't forget to subscribe, and not just subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss any other video about tips, tricks or tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.